First year I learned how to make chair. Last year I made a bookshelf. I'm waiting for this year. In this course, I am the maker. I design, I visualize, and I make. I make with my colleagues, my peers, as I understand something from circuits to coding, something from cutting to joining, something from making a series to a program. At times I fail, at times I succeed. Week 1 helps me hypothesize my idea. Week 2 helps me build on it. And week 3 is my lifelong learning, which I can share with my family, which I can boast to my friends because I have made this. There's a lot of learning here from safety because I need to know how things work, how I need to be safe at all times while making things. And that making is essence of this course. I learn how to make my ideas, which is a showcase of my learning to the world.